Hello, I am Mrs. Brucker. I am your son or daughter's AP chemistry teacher. Recording this video in my classroom to kind of give you a face with the name and to kind of just introduce you to what we're going to be doing in AP this year. So this is my 16th year at Naperville North. I've been teaching 21 years. I used to be a chemist at Abbott Laboratories. My background is in chemistry. I have a bachelor's in chemistry and a master's in education. And so teaching was my second career and been very happy with it ever since. So AP chemistry is going to be different this year because of everything on Zoom. I am still planning on covering all of the curriculum. So I did tell all of the students that this is an AP course. So they need to expect to do work outside of the 25 minutes that we give them outside of Zoom. So it is, I'm going in the order of the curriculum so that if at the end in May when they have the AP test, they last year dropped off some of the curriculum, we'll be right on pace with that. But it is going to be still the same curriculum. So I'm going to share with you the Canvas page. The Canvas page looks the same across all classes. So they're going to have a daily agenda, course material, and calendar for them to look at. So daily agenda is always going to be the first place they go. And this is where they're going to see what we're doing in Zoom together. And then what are they doing for homework? And again, that's going to be pretty much the same format a day to day. As I told them, some of the in-class activities might blend into some time afterwards. They might have to work on homework longer than 25 minutes because, again, we have a lot of curriculum that we need to take. But that's always going to be the first place to go is the daily agenda, Course materials, all I did was I linked it to the modules. So for this class, I go in pretty much the order of the textbook, and they do have a textbook that they'll be using. They have a hard copy, and then they also have access to a digital copy as well. So we are starting with chapter 2, and what I have posted on each one of my lectures is my videos. So I have put all of my lectures on video, and I have put that on YouTube. And this video is on YouTube as well. So the kids have access to all of my lectures. So most of the time when we are together, we are talking about problems, discussing issues. They are watching lectures on their own. So it's kind of a flipped classroom. And then finally, calendar is a Google Calendar. This year in particular, it's going to be very difficult for me to plan way far ahead of time just because of timing of things. I don't know how all of this is going to work. Typically, I have things planned out months in advance, but this year is just going to be very different. And I've told the students this. I told them that we need to be patient with each other because it is such a weird environment that we are in. But again, they will always see their weekly agenda. What are we doing in class? What are we doing for homework? So on and so forth. So again, Ms. Brucker, very nice to meet you. Some of you I've met before. Some of you already know me, but I will put my email address on this as well, so you could always email me if you have any questions. But thanks for watching this video.